Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using Node.js with NPM, complete guide step by step clearly. To start using Node.js with NPM, first, download Node.js from the official website. Once on the website, select the version suitable for your operating system. After the download completes, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. During installation, ensure that the checkbox for installing NPM is checked. Upon completion, open your command line interface. To verify that Node.js is installed correctly, type Node v and press enter. You should see the installed version of Node.js displayed in the terminal. Next, check if NPM is installed by typing npm v and pressing enter. You should see the installed version of NPM as well. Now, create a new project directory using the command line. You can do this by typing in dir myproject and pressing enter. Once the directory is created, navigate into it using cd myproject. Inside your project directory, initialize a new You can press enter to accept the default options if you're unsure. After completing initialization, your project will have a package.json file created. To install a package, such as Express, type npm install express and press enter. This will download and install Express in your project directory. Once installed, you can verify this by checking the node_modules folder. To use Express in your application, create a new file named app.js. Open app.js in your preferred code editor. Next, require Express in your app.js file using const express equals require express. Then, create an instance of Express by typing const app equals express. Set up a basic route by adding app.get /req res equals res.send hello world. Specify the port for your application to listen on with app.listen 3000 equals console.log server running on port 3000. Now, return to your command line interface to run your app. Type node app.js and press enter to start the server. To see your application in action, open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. You should see Hello World displayed on the page. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Node.js with NPM and created a basic web server using Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.